Hello student, myself Shinde Seema from RBNB College. I teach biology subject. Today we are going to start the topic inheritance and variation. This topic already studied for previous videos, and in this lecture we have discussed for CET or NEET related questions or important tricks. Now first we will discuss inheritance and variation. The first meaning for this inheritance. Inheritance means the transmission of characters or transmission of genetic information from one generation to the next generation. This term it is called inheritance. And variation. This inheritance means the transmission of characters. And variation means the differences among different kind of organisms. Means all these living organisms, they are different. They are not similar or exactly identical to their parents. Only the vegetative reproducing organisms or asexual reproducing organisms, they are similar to their parents. But sexually reproducing organisms, they are different, or they are different to parents, and this is a variation. Now this topic is the inheritance and variation. The first topic we will discuss the term genetics. The what is genetics means the genetics, it is a branch of biology, and this branch is study the heredity and variation. The genetics, it is a branch of biology, and study in this branch is heredity and variation. Heredity and variation. This term it is called genetics. In genetics study the heredity, transmitted characters, and variation is difference between this parent to the offsprings. Now in this topic we will discuss the Mendelian inheritance. Means the scientist Gregor John Mendel studied the garden pea plants. This Pisum sativum, it is a pea plants, and these pea plants studied several pairs of contrasting characters. This Mendel studied the 7 pair of contrasting characters in garden pea plants, and Mendel showing the dominating and recessive trait in the garden pea plants. The dominating character, they are expressed, but this recessive character is suppressed character, and they are studied in these plants, garden pea plants. Next point, the genetic terminology. The genetic terminology includes many definitions. One definition is a gene. First one definition is gene. Gene, it is a particular segment of DNA molecules, and thus one problem is related to this gene. The first one problem, solve these problems. The first problem, how many different types of gametes will be formed for the plants having genotypes? The first problem, the plant having genotypes. This plant will be formed for the plants having genotypes AA, BP and CC. This problem, first one problem, the different types of gametes. Different types of gametes. Gametes capital A, capital B, small b, and capital C, capital C. This is the genotypes. There are 3 genotypes. Now this capital A, capital B, small b, capital C, capital C. This how many different types of the gametes, and this plant is forming how many genotypes? The options are 1, 2, 3 or 4. This one important formula is used for this solving this problem. Formula using formula 2n. Now this n means study the heterozygosity. Heterozygosity means dissimilar genotypes, and in this problem this heterozygous means heterozygous genotypes is capital B and small b. Only one heterozygosity is seen in this problem, and this formula is using for this formula 2n. This 2n means 2 raised to n means only one, n is equal to 1 means only one heterozygous genotypes will be there, and this formula 2n means n by 1. The genotypes obtaining genotypes are 2. Using this important formula, it is a trick solving for this problem. This one problem, the option number 2, these genotypes are from 2 genotypes. See how many different types of the gametes will be formed for the plants and having genotypes. These genotypes are from 2 genotypes. Next problem, the second problem, how many types of gametes will be formed for the given type of genotypes? Similar problem, this second problem, the how many type of gametes will be formed, and these gametes like capital T small t, capital R small r, capital Y small y, and capital R small r. These are the 3 different types of the genotypes. But this genotypes formula is used. This 2n, n means number of heterozygosity. The n is equal to, these are the heterozygous. You know the heterozygous, this hetero or homozygous condition. Homo means similar alleles. Capital A, capital A. These are the homozygous alleles, and heterozygous means different. Capital T, small t. This is a different heterozygous condition. Heterozygous alleles. In these problems, the 3 types or 3 different heterozygous alleles, 1, 2 and 3. The formula n is equal to 2n means this 2 raised to n. N means 3 different types of genotypes. 3. Okay? And this using this formula 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3, and option number D, 8, forming 8 genotypes. This is the correct answer. These 3 different genotypes or heterozygosities observed in this problem, and using the one formula 2n, this important formula is used and solve this problem. This 2 raised to 3 equal to 8 means 8 types of genotypes or gametes will be formed. 8 different types of the gametes are formed in this problem. Okay. Next problem, which of the following is the unit of inheritance? Options: phenotypes, genotypes, genes or genomes. Which of the following is inheritance. Inheritance means transmitted characters. Means the phenotypes. What is first one option? Phenotypes means external appearance of an individual. This is one of the genetic terminology. Phenotypes, external appearance. Genotypes means genetic constitution, genetic makeup of an organism. And gene, this third option, gene it is a herited character, means this gene it is a particular segment of DNA molecules, and these molecules they are inherited, means third option is correct. This gene it is a unit of inheritance. Gene it is a unit of inheritance. Next problem, fourth number. The number of phenotypes for F2 generation of dihybrid cross. F2 generation of dihybrid cross. The first discuss dihybrid cross. What is dihybrid cross? Dihybrid cross means the two pair of contrasting characters will be studied. These two pair of contrasting characters, it is called dihybrid cross. When crossing takes place, dihybrid means when a crossing between two pairs of contrasting character, two pairs of contrasting characters. Means for example, the two pairs like round yellow cross with wrinkled green. These are the two contrasting characters. Round yellow dominating characters and wrinkled green recessive characters. This is the two characters. Means dihybrid means when a cross between two pair of contrasting characters, it is called dihybrid cross. In this problem, number of phenotypes for F2 generation of dihybrid cross. Number of phenotypes will be for F2 generation of dihybrid cross. These two characters, round yellow, wrinkled and green, the phenotypic generation. This is the phenotypes of dihybrid. For example, phenotype of dihybrid. And the genotypes will be produced. The capital R, capital Y. This round, capital R and yellow, capital Y, and wrinkled and green, recessive traits, recessive characters. The small r and small y. The crossing between these two pairs of contrasting character means number of phenotypes for F2 generation of dihybrid 4, 16, 8 or 9. This number of phenotypes means external appearance is produced in F2 generation. We count F2 generation. First generation obtain these gametes capital R, capital Y, small r, small y, and produce capital R, capital Y, small y. This obtaining first F1 generation produce this round yellow seeds, round and yellow seeds. 4 types of genotypes. The ratio is obtained dihybrid ratio 9:2, 3:2, 3:1. Means this 9 plants is round yellow plant will be produced. 3 plants 9:2, 3:2, 3:1 means the number of phenotypes of F2 generation of dihybrid cross will be produced 4 types of the phenotypes. 4 different types of the phenotypes will be obtained in F2 generation of dihybrid cross. Next problem, the genetic constitution of an individual is represented. The genetic constitution of an individual is represented by genome, genotypes, phenotypes or karyotypes. The genetic constitution, the option B is correct, genotypes. The genetic constitution means genotypes, genetic constitution. The genetic terminology is a genotypes. Genotype means it is a genetic constitution. Genotypes means genetic constitution, or obtaining the genotypes like the capital Y, capital Y, capital R, capital R. These are the genotypes. Small y, small y, small r, small r. These are the genotypes, means genetic constitution of an individual. It is represented by genotypes. Next one problem. Test cross is, what is the test cross? The first, the definition or discuss the test cross. What is test cross? Test cross means test cross. Options are capital T, capital T, capital T, small t. One is a homozygous, another is a heterozygous. One is a heterozygous, homozygous means is a hybrids. Capital T, capital T, capital T, capital T are homozygous dominating, and capital T, small t, small t, small t. One is a hybrid and one is a recessive. This definition of test cross. Test cross means the F1 is crossed with recessive parents. F1 is crossed with recessive parents. F1 is crossed with recessive parents. F1 means F1 is a hybrid. This, for example, tall cross with dwarf. Tall is crossed with dwarf. The phenotypes capital T, small t, small t. The gametes will be formed capital T, small t. The F1 will be obtained capital T, small t. F1, this is a F1 hybrid. It is a heterozygous. Dissimilar alleles are obtained. This is a F1 hybrids. This test cross, F1 means heterozygous. F1 is crossed with recessive parents. Recessive parents, capital T, small t, cross with these recessive parents means small t, small t. For example, tall cross with dwarf. Tall is cross with dwarf means this is a F1 hybrid cross with recessive parents. It is called the test cross. Means option number D. Option number D. This is a heterozygous capital T, small t. It is a F1 hybrids and cross with the recessive parents. It is called test cross. Option, correct option, capital T, small t and cross with small t, small t. One tall and one is a dwarf plants. Next one, next problem number 7. How many pairs of contrasting characters in pea plants? How many pairs of contrasting character in garden pea plants? The Mendel studied these garden pea plants and studying the 7 pair of contrasting characters. The options 5, 6 and 7 and 8. The correct option 7. The Mendel studied the 7 contrasting characters, like first one characters: height of stem, tall and dwarfs, seed shape, seed color, pod shape, pod colors, this color, flower color and flower position. These are the 7 pair of contrasting character. Mendel studied these 7 pair of contrasting characters, and these how many pairs of contrasting characters studied by Mendel? 7 is correct answer. Okay, next one. A man with blood group A and married woman blood group B. The man blood group A and married woman blood group B. What are possible blood groups? What are possible blood group of their offsprings? Option 1A, AB, O or B. All type of blood groups are observed in this offsprings. Means the first one, blood group of man A and blood group of woman B. This A and B blood groups of these both the parents, and the possible blood groups is obtained in F2 generation will be produce blood group A, blood group AB, blood group O or blood group B. Next one problem. In mirabilis plants, means mirabilis jalepa plants, the appearance of pink hybrid, mirabilis jalepa plants appears pink hybrids, capital R small r, cross of red and white flower, cross of red and white flower. The parents indicates segregation, dominance, incomplete dominance or heterosis. This problem is related incomplete dominance. These plants, mirabilis jalepa, these plants will be produce pink hybrid. The cross between red and white, for example, the cross between red flower into white flower, cross between red and white flower, their genotypes capital R, small r, capital R and small r. The capital R, red color flower cross with white color flower, small r. This is a genotypes, parents or phenotypes. The gametes will be formed. Gametes are capital R, small r. F1 hybrid, capital R, small r, and this F1 hybrid produce pink color flower, pink colors, means it is a obtain pink hybrid. Is problems red flower is crossed with white flower, capital R, is dominating characters, and small r is recessive parents, and this crossing between these two parents obtain the pink color flowers in mirabilis plants, 4 o'clock plants, and they are obtained the, means this is a incomplete dominance, It is one of the important deviation studied by Mendel. These are the different problems, and this incomplete dominance is obtained pink colors flowers. Thank you.